Hey guys, launching a successful course can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. The key is to approach it with the right mindset. Instead of focusing on the potential challenges or the obstacles, start focusing on the opportunities and the possibilities that await you. Most importantly, believe in yourself, believe in your ability to create a successful course, and remember that course creators everywhere were in the same boat as you are right now. But to overcome your overwhelming feelings of launching a course, there are some key things that you need to keep in mind. Start by breaking down the process into manageable steps. This is important because it's going to help you stay organized, stay focused. But for me, when I launched my first course, my second course, I have a routine. I give 4 to 6 weeks. I give enough time. I'm able to stay organized. I'm able to stay focused because I've got everything, on a timeline, and everything. I have to have this done here and this done at this time and this done at this time. And usually I am not stressed until the day of because I have so many tech problems that happen to me all the time. But if you're able to break these things down, then you're able to usually you're able to handle each step more accurately with focus, with you're more organized at the end of the day, to get to the end goal, which is the launch. So create a timeline, set achievable goals, make sure that you use this process throughout your the entirety of your course creation and launch process. Another helpful mindset technique I would say is to look at failure as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and don't everybody has to go through some type of failure. To reach success, you have to go through mistakes and failure. And the best thing to do instead of giving up is to just grow from it, improve yourself, learn from it. Use it in your course, use it in your launch. Show people, this is what I did, this is the mistake, this is what I did. It didn't work out. This is how I fixed it. In fact, I do it in my own courses. I've gone over my mistakes and how I fixed them. So use it as, take advantage of your failures. Yes, it is a setback. Yes, it does sting a little bit. Many times, most of the time, it stings. But just use it as a way to improve, a way to, at the end of the day, just making your course even better. Okay, so when it comes to launching a successful course, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, I say this in all my videos, make sure that your course is well structured, well planned, and make sure that you have your learning objectives. Make sure that they are clear and they're concise and you know exactly what they are, because you want your audience to know exactly what their end goal is by the time they finish your course. It's really vital to have this. But you can also use the learning objective. You can also use these learning objectives in your launch process. Highlight this benefit, highlight this solution, which is the learning objectives, and promote your launch by using those. Let them know this is what you're going to learn. This is what you're going to get. This is what you'll be able to do by the end of this. And if you're in front of the right people, your target market, if you're in front of the right people, then you can put the right message in front of them. And that is hopefully the solution to their problem. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're promoting consistently across different channels, multiple various channels, whether that's social media, whether that's your platform, whether that's email marketing, paid advertising. You have to be consistent in promoting. Now, I said that when I do my launch process, I do anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, and then I have a schedule in my emails that I send out, on these specific times, so that I don't get off track. Everybody gets the same thing, and anybody that registers will get from the beginning to the end. There is a process in doing this. It helps, obviously it helps, the overwhelming um, process, because there are a lot of steps. But again, just making sure that you're consistent in promoting your launch, whether that's a workshop, whether that's a challenge, whether it's your first launch, whatever the case may be. It could be an email series. Just make sure that you're promoting on various channels so that it can reach a wider audience. And then finally, just make sure that you're getting feedback after you've launched, after you've done your challenge, whatever it is that you're promoting, after you've done it, make sure that you get feedback because you're going to use this to improve and refine your course over time. Remember, launching a course is a journey. It's not a destination. So make sure that you're embracing every moment, embrace the failures, embrace the mistakes, and overcome them by moving forward and enjoy it. Like, seriously, enjoy it because you made a decision to do this in the first place. So think about that and keep going. Don't let it be a waste. And if you do need help with maybe your target audience, if you need help with your launch calendar or routine, if you don't have one yet, I'm going to put in the link below an ideal customer avatar, whatever you want to call it, a workbook that asks you questions and help you identify your target audience so you can put the right message in front of them. But also I have a launch calendar and planner that you can grab for free. Both of them will be linked in the description below. But my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose, and I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.